Estate Investing Adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and should always be an adventure. I'm Joe Jurek, and if you're a returning guest, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Who the heck am I? I'm a real estate investor, get to travel all over the country and work with people just like you, trying to get started in real estate or take their real estate investing to the next level. In this video, I'm introducing the video playlist for flipping. So many people want to buy, fix, and flip a home, and I've put together a variety of videos that will help you if you're considering doing a buy, fix, and flip. Now the thing with buy, fix, and flip, they are fun, you can make a profit, but you also can lose money. The other thing that I hear from people that I work with, they say on TV it looks so fun and easy. Well, here's the thing with reality, okay? It can be fun, it can be easy, but it also can be frustrating and it can also be hard. On TV, any problem they run into, they're going to get through that problem in the 30 minutes, but as we know in the real world, it may take us a little bit longer than that 30 minutes to solve and get through that problem. So in my video series, I'm going to try to cover different things that you may run into. I'm also going to try to give you some tips and pointers of what you can kind of do and hopefully help you out. The other thing that I would tell you is as you're doing this, you're going to gain more and more experience on what to look for, how to do it, a timeline, what's involved, as well as everything from the acquisition to the renovation to listing it to trying to get an offer that's acceptable to you. So as we look at buy, fix, and flip, the timeline does take longer. As we look at buy, fix, and flip, there is more involved with it, but it can be very fun and it can be very rewarding. So I hope you enjoy this playlist. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that down there in the corner and watch this playlist, other playlists, and I hope you enjoy and get a lot of takeaways from it. So live life in the moment with no regrets. Take care now. Believe and achieve. Bye.
Do it now. Believe and achieve. Take care. Yeah!